guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome back to Dano Crypto. So today was a pretty wild day. Today was one of those days where anything can happen. And if anything can happen, it will. So I hope you guys are feeling good. Hope you're feeling well. I hope you have survived today. I hope you came out with some profits. I hope you have put in some trades for the recovery. We had a flash crash here on Bitcoin and in the cryptocurrency markets. We had $300 million liquidated in a matter of hours, maybe even just 30 minutes to an hour, just gone. It happened so fast. The moment I stepped away from the charts is the moment that stuff like this happens. But we'll tell you guys what happened. We'll reveal to you what ended up happening to some of our trades, and we will show you how we are going to recover those back, recover the losses, and stay in the markets. All right, so let's see what is happening here. Let's see what happened. We're going to go into the 3-hour chart here, and you can see that once we hit 72, once we hit that 72,000 right here, we got nicely rejected right off in the morning. This morning, today, we did take profits, though. You know, we actually took some profits, but it probably would have been a key thing to take a lot more and also get out of a few of those trades that we were still negative in, but had a chance to be able to not get those trades completely licked, because that is what happened. Our ENA and our Pepe trade got destroyed, and we'll show you. This is actually what happened. We weren't expecting a drop like that. That was kind of a fast drop. And we were going to put stop losses. We already missed the chance of putting stop losses on these two trades. We were going to wait for the market to kind of get up a little bit, get up, put a stop loss in, and we missed the opportunity. And what's sad is that we actually missed the opportunity to before when these trades were in the green. We didn't set the stop loss, so we broke our rule for our risk management. And so that's what happens sometimes. That's what happens sometimes, especially if you're not following your rules, you're not following full-on proper risk management, because these things, especially with trading, can happen very fast. And you can see here where we just got rejected, and you can see it here on Brett. You see it on Brett as well. Went all the way down to 14 cents very, very quickly, but you can see here how quickly that price was bought up on Brett. And so what we did is we said, okay, look, we'll actually, because this thing is showing strength, to go and clear 18 cents again and then test up into 20 cents like we were saying. Then that and this recovery too is really nice. So I love things like this, seeing a big green candle on a flash crash, because that just shows that people want to scoop this thing up as fast as they can in these lower prices, because I don't think this thing is going to be going anywhere near these prices again here coming in the bull run and the altcoin season. So, and Brett, just so you guys know, is a base chain meme coin, and it's for the layer 2 Coinbase's base. And this, I believe, will be probably the top onboarding meme coin for Coinbase wallet users, the smart wallet users, and also whenever this thing ends up getting listed on Coinbase and other big reputable exchanges. So far, we got PHEMEX, we got Qcoin. I believe. Let's see. Let's go down the list. Let's actually look and see where Brett is trading at currently right now. Volume is still good, 68% in volume. And let's see, we got BYBIT, Gate.io, Qcoin, BitGet. Have Bitmart, PHEMEX, LBANK. And guys, if you want to trade Brett, you can use all the links in the description. I have all of the links in the description that can help you in your crypto journey. Yeah, I think people are sleeping. I don't know how many people are on the stream right now. All right, well, you 10 are not sleeping, so I appreciate it. So if you guys don't mind, do me a favor, and all 10 of you got to hit that like button. You got to absolutely destroy it. You have to absolutely destroy it for the dancing Doge. Thank you guys so much. All right, so did you guys catch the Roaring Kitty stream? So we actually streamed right before he was going live, and he was super late. So we ended up just cutting the stream, and then we waited till he started to stream. And man, oh god, I guess like it just only time will tell. Because we speculated into a GME play on Solana, the GME, you know, because there's all these GME token, you know, derivative of GMEs, the whole play. There's an Ethereum one, there's a Solana one, and we went into this thing thinking, okay, maybe this thing is going to get some traction, and 3K soon, 3K Bitcoin, it's coming in, guys. 15K wasn't the bottom. It really was 3K. All right, so where was I going? Where is that tab? There it is. Okay. So we dumped hard, and I think it was because obviously the GME token or the GME stock dumped 35% as well. So got some interesting things happening in the market. A lot of swings, a lot of wicks, but either way, I think we're still bullish. We had a nice recovery, nice bottom, 68,491. Had a bearish divergence right here, and now we are showing a little bit of strength to try and test back up to 70K. But man, how many times is it going to get rejected off of this level? Well, here you go. 1, 2, 3. And the fourth time, I think I always say, is the charm when it comes to these breakouts. And so if we break out even from 69.4 to test this all-time high, yeah, never forget to long the zip. And yeah, never forget to put I almost said the F word full on because I'm mad at myself. Put a stop loss. Put a stop loss in your freaking trades. If you're going to trade, I'm yelling at myself right now. I'm not yelling at you guys. I'm yelling at myself. Put a stop loss in. God, what is wrong with you? Jesus. I mean, what? Terrible. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh. But we did take a lot of profit on Brett. So we basically circumvented the losses and basically came out with $100 today. If we want to get real with you, we were going to have a $500 day, and it turned into a $100 day. Real quick. That $300 million liquidation, I was a measly little pie of that, but I'm sure it helped those market makers. I'm sure it helped move that market. That's for sure. Every little piece helps. Every little piece helps. Guys, put a 1 in the chat if you got wrecked. Put a 2 if you were smooth sailing and you followed all your rules. Put a 3 if you were kind of halfway. I was like 1 and 3. I was like 1 and 3. I was both. No, I saw it. No, yeah, I saw your trade. Yeah, so shout out to MFRX9. Let's see his trade. He put in a nice short. See, he went the right direction. I was wrong. I not necessarily that I was wrong. I just didn't have proper risk management. So it's just, I mean, you can never predict a flash crash. I mean, a flash crash can happen at just, I mean, it's a flash crash. So I was just a victim of a flash crash and also not following my rules. But I love this. I love seeing this. This is nice because that was the profit that I took this morning on Brett was about that much, and then I kind of started scalping a little bit more, went back in, and I'll show you guys where we were kind of doing this. And you can see here we had some buys here, and then we had some sells here. We had a sell here, and then we re-entered back into the dip here as quick as we could. I mean, seriously, I was looking at the charts, and all I did was go and run one errand. I went to Home Depot. I was only there for 30 minutes. I just looked at the charts, and the charts didn't look that bad. And I went away for 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. That's all it took. And then I got home, and I was like, why am I wrecked? I'm like, what just happened? I'm like, I got no notifications on my phone. I don't know. My phone wasn't buzzing. I don't know what. I was like, I didn't even get a chance to even react at all. It was just like, it was done. It was done, son. So, ugh. But you know what we did? We bought more spot Brett. so we said, whatever, we have margin in the account still. We went and limit ordered into more Brett at as quick as the prices. I mean, look how fast this thing recovered up. It went up super fast. I mean, how are you supposed to get this dip at 14 cents unless you had a limit order set there? That's probably what brought this candle up so fast, is that there were probably some market maker Brett whales that were like 14 cents is the key. And look at that. Right there. Boom. And just like a nice green candle right there. Interesting. Oh, so AI Griff, are you saying that Market Cypher was saying Brett was going down or Bitcoin? Were you watching Brett? Yeah, I was telling you guys on stream yesterday that a lot of the times patterns like this tend to break out. I was like, if it gets pinched right here, we're gonna break out. Oh, BTC. Oh, just more to the downside. Yeah, just because we're starting to push up like 69.4, I mean, we have to break 69.7. If we break 69.7, then I can be confident that we're going to push up and at least go back up to 70K here in the short term, even tonight through the Asian market. Through the Asian markets, 9:30. I think that's when that starts to, at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time is where we usually tend to. Oh, actually, and if you're looking at the 3 hour, this thing could be a head and shoulders. Could be a head and shoulders that could break down to 67.6. Oh, me too. Me too, AI Griff. So MFRX9 is thinking we're going to see a 71.8. A 71.8. So yeah, so 71.8 is basically, yeah, it's at the top of the wick here. Like, so it's, yeah, so 71.8 here. That was right above, that was like just right below where we just had that line here. And so, but I mean, what happens if this ends up being a head and shoulders, you know? This could easily play out like this. It could go like this and trade up and get rejected off of that level and then just start trading down right into here. It's possible. It's definitely possible. It is not off the table. So we do have to be prepared for that, because then that is a lower that's a lower crash than what we just had. We got that 68,420, and we could then, if we go that low, if we do go that low, then I would watch for levels at 67,297. You got 67,603. You have at the bottom, the very bottom, we'd be at 66,630. Yo, just stop. Think about it. Think about it. Just stop. Think about it. Could roam down a little bit. Well, the vault, I mean, we'll see. Let's see. We got it full screen here. And so the levels that we're looking for here to take some more profits is at 20 cents. But also at this level right here too is a great level to take profits, especially because it's a resistance level. I know shorts are, I'm always scared. I've told you guys before, I'm not the best shorter. I mean, basically people were making fun of me on X because I posted that picture in the 300 liquidations like post where it was like a radar post. They were like 300 million liquidated. And I said, yeah, I was part of that. And they were like just, trying to light me up. Like, you longed. Gosh, you idiot. We need to start doing the the schlong technique. Basically, the schlong technique is that you are keeping your long trade open. You're taking a portion. You're taking maybe what? I don't know. You could take 25%. You could take 50%. And we've done this before. We have successfully done the schlong to try and do an ATM strategy, and it has played out. Just kind of just in and out. and that's hey, that some people are, if that's how you are as a trader, and you know this, and you're just like better at seeing the charts for a short position or a long position, then you'll know. I mean, I would go off that. If you know who you are, if you know, then you know. But it does look like Brett. It does look like Brett is selling off a little bit right now, so we probably could take some profits. We probably could indeed maybe take some profits right now. It wouldn't hurt. It would not hurt, because there's always opportunities to re-enter with those profits. But we do need to watch BTC though, because then if BTC just starts running, then we'll see quick recoveries from some of these lows. I'm not going to repeat that. I will not repeat that. All right, so we'll probably end up scalping about 100. We'll scalp 100 off of here, because we could see some liquidity low down at 16 cents, like exactly 16 cents here in the short term. Looks like, yeah, getting a couple of these moving averages hitting across here. Let's see where we had a dominant moving average here on the pump was the golden line here on the 7. And so that was so we got the orange at predominantly in the middle. or sorry, the purple switch, purple cross right here. Bollinger Band could be kind of sliding down the Bollinger Band, and it could hit right into this level. So yeah, we'll probably take some profits. Let's do it. Let's do it. We'll just take 50% of the trade. The more you try to win, the more you lose. What is that? What is that? Okay. I guess we can. We'll put the price here. Put price here. Paste that, and. But see, I mean, I don't know. But we're on the 15-minute chart, though. We're on the 15-minute chart. It's starting to go green right now. Is Bitcoin starting to go? Or let's look at ETH. Let's see what's happening with ETH right now. How is ETH doing, guys? Let's see. I couldn't find it. Oh yeah, ETH is getting a nice cross here. A little bit of volume coming in. Let's pump it. Let's go. Let's pump this thing. I'm okay. Yeah, you know what? Let's do this. We're pumping the crap out of this thing. Let's go. Pumping the crap out of this thing. We're deploying all capital. Let's do this. We're freaking back. Let's go. Someone said, don't play music through your stream. I said, you know what, I'll test it out. But you know, for moments like this, I'm about to wreck all the headphone users. You know, we said it. Yo, Bitcoin go down for what? Bitcoin go down for what? Yep, we almost got it. We almost did it. Ah! Oh no! Oh, you brat! No, it's party time. Let's go. We're in a battle now. We're in a war. All right, we scalped the profit. Oh, jeez. What just happened? We were so close, guys. We almost got the 100. It's like finding a $100 bill on the floor and someone had it on a fish line. They were like, what the hell? What the freaking hell? Let's go, guys. Let's pump this thing. If you're trading, I'm trading, you're trading. I'm a dude, she's a dude, he's a dude. We're all dudes. We're going to do a schlong right now. We're schlonging. We're about to schlong. We're about to schlong along. We're about to we're about to schlong, short a schlong. We're about to short it though. We're going to short it. We're going to short it. We're going to actually practice the short. We're going to do the short. We're not going to put in a big one. We're just going to put in a small one. We're just going to put in a little small one. And let's get that. Let's get it. Boom. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. You are seeing some live trading happening right now. Did we get the short in? Yes, we did. We did. We got the short in. We're gonna see. Let's put a stop loss in right now just to prove that we actually can do it. I'm just gonna put. We'll put a 10% stop loss on it. We already have a break-even stop loss set on this one. We're leaving this one open because we got the entry price at 67,300, but we also have a stop loss set on this one. So we do have proper risk management set on these trades. But let's see what's happening here because we could be getting still a recovery here on Bitcoin, but also not really. Could be getting a slide down the Bollinger Band and testing into 68,800 right here in the short term. ETH going down a little bit. All right, let's see what happens, guys. It's getting a little weird. Look at this. Look at these movements. We could get a really, really big move, a quick move to the downside. A quick move to the downside here. So we're going to put a take profit here. Let's see. Take profit here. We could do a take profit here. Could add a CO. I don't know if we want to close the whole short, though. Maybe. All right, let's just do this. Yeah. No. No, it's not. Nope, it's even in the disclaimer in the description. Don't listen to him. If you want to get absolutely wrecked, just follow me. That's not true though. I think I made Sunshine Girl a lot of money telling her about Brett, so I don't know. I do have somewhat of a good track record. And if you go way back, I actually did talk about Ponky a long time ago and just forgot about it. Like you do most coins, and then they end up doing well. You can't win them all. Okay, this thing is okay. I mean, this markets like this is where you're just like, whoo. I'm debating though. I'm debating if, you know, we keep this one open. We do have a take profit and a stop loss set on the short currently right now. If we hit the take profit, we'll be at a we'll basically be trying to recover the losses that we gained the losses that we gained today. Did you hear what I just said? We're gonna gain them back if the market will respect levels here. I forgot it was even on there. I forgot Doge was just bouncing behind me. Looks like Doge was trying to get me from the back. I don't know what was going on. I wasn't even paying attention. I'm looking at a different screen. Well, shout out to everyone who has been tuning in. Appreciate all you guys. See how many people are watching across all platforms. All right, we got about 25 people total watching across the entire world. Yeah, always do revenge trading. You'll become a billionaire. I know, yeah, revenge trading is never the way to go. Revenge trading is never the way. Sometimes it can play out. We'll see. A lot of will sees. A lot of will sees today. Looks like this could be just like one of those candles that just goes boom, and then it just like goes right back. It goes right back up really quick. That's happened a few times on Brett where we just had a really big red candle and then it just swinged right back up really fast. Trying to think of where that it was somewhere right here. That's where it did it. Right here was this big red candle, and it wicked up really fast. It was like boom, boom. And so, you know, that same thing just happened here. Boom, boom. So we're gonna have to see what happens. See what I mean? You just saw that happen live, baby! Boom! Let's go. Let's freaking go. That wasn't my stop loss. That was the take profit, baby. We still got the trade open on the long. I should have had a limit order set right there. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we got to get back in. Now we got to get back in with some limits. Okay, so we're going to put a limit here. We're going to put a limit right here. Oh. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's get a price. Paste. That was nice. I love that we were able to catch that live. That was a great play. Good job, everyone. Good job, everyone. Okay, so even if we get into some limit orders at these levels, it's still a little risky, but let's see Let's see what happened. So did Bitcoin just kind of have a bit of a did it go down really fast or no? Well, I was telling you guys, I mean, it's done it before. It did it 2 different times where it just did it really fast, and then it went back up really fast. So that's crazy that it that's wild. That's wild, honestly, though, that it just did that, like, exactly when I said it was going to do it. And I put in the trade right before. Exactly. Exactly. All right, so let's not get too cocky, though. Let's not get too cocky, because the dang thing could just do it again. And then we could have made even more profits. So let's watch this thing. Let's kind of watch out. Let's watch out. Let's make sure we have the proper stop loss set on this thing. It's at 14 cents. 14 cents stop loss, which is... No, that's like... No, that is not correct. I do not want that one. At 91... No! What is this? A stop loss at like freaking 10%. What the freaking crap? No. But that's not it either. I don't know why it's doing this. No, that's not the price I want. Let me cancel this. I need to cancel that. All right, but that, I don't like the look of this, of it having, I do like the wick, but I don't like the candle. We might be going even lower, guys. We might be going even lower. Yeah. We could, yeah. Could be a case to make here. Oh, the AI grip. Thanks for the super chat. That's awesome. Yeah, that 15 cents. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to get to it. So I could, yeah, we could be smart and take profit, because our entry is basically right here. So let's just take the trade. Done. No, I'm looking at the 15-minute right now. The 15-minute's kind of where it's at right now. I don't know why. The 15 minutes really showing me some stuff. I'm really liking the 15-minute, what's happening right now on Brett. So let's just let's keep riding on this a little bit. I'm liking what's happening. We're gonna short from here. We're locking in, guys. It's time to lock in. Let's freaking go. It's time to lock it in. Let's do this thing. We gotta get this song. Let's go. Okay. We get a quick. I want to get a nice another quick wick down to that level. Got a stop loss. We got to take profit. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. I don't know why my orders just closed. That was weird. Did it hit the stop loss? I don't know. Maybe it hit the stop loss? I might have hit the stop loss. Oh, I guess I hit a stop loss. All right, so we're getting a recovery now. So now we got to get back in. Now we're going to gotta switch this up. Let's go. So now before we had about, what was it? Okay. Getting a little recovery here. Was that the bottom? Was that the low? Was that the low? Is that the low we're gonna low here? Because then we can long now. Now we could be confident longing, but we're just switching the leverage up, man. We gotta get this leverage down. That's what we need to do here. I'm gonna switch up this leverage. All right, that's better. I feel better about that. Okay, what do you guys think? All right, I think I feel way better about that. Okay. Hopefully we can get it. So it could just start going. Would have been nice to get a limit order set in here. We could have done that, but oh, there we go. Okay, we'll just scoop that. Okay. All right, let's go. Woo! Oh man, this thing is scaring me. This thing is scaring me. I really hope that was the bottom. I really hope that was that short-term bottom here. We need volume. Why are we trading right now? What is wrong with us? What is wrong? What is wrong? I think like MF or X9 said, it's revenge. It's revenge. And hopefully we don't get wrecked. Because we probably need to set a... We don't want to get destroyed again. We don't want to get destroyed again. So we're getting a little weary. Just a little weary. I know, back to 15 cents. I know, and then we get wrecked again. I don't want to get wrecked again. I'm gonna close this damn thing right now. Let's see. Let's just do it. Let's do it before we lose any money. All right. Okay. We're just gonna wait and see what's happening now, guys. At this point, I mean, it could freaking go anywhere at this point now. Jeez. I think we did what we could do. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the shenanigans that was that trading session. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We're gonna be back streaming on Monday. We'll be on the Moon Show. We'll be on the Moon Show on Monday, and I don't know however many days we're gonna be going on the Moon Show, but we'll at least be on Monday, and we're gonna be live streaming at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. starting the week strong, and hopefully by Monday, our account that we're just trading on, that thing is gonna be up to over a few $1,000s from what we were doing. All right, so. Wish me luck, guys, and I'll wish you some luck, and see you on the next one. Peace out.